you guys go above and beyond. You really do. Just in regards to, I'll reiterate, the questions you ask, what we're looking to do, the capabilities we have with an existing house of what can be done. You guys are patient. We've had some bumps in the road already before the project even started. So not your fault, our fault. The whole process that we've been taking through has been phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. My advice to anybody looking would be, you have to be comfortable with the people that you're working with, and you guys provide that, family familiarity. You have the trust issue, the honesty, which I haven't found any holes with that with you guys yet. Amazing. I come from a company where, we're family owned and operated for the past 60 years. So even when Ron first stepped into my home, I felt that relationship being built already. It was very nice to be able to open up, tell him what we wanted, and to trust the fact that he would do everything that we said. He wasn't just a sales professional. He listened, and he heard what we actually wanted and what we needed.